So hi everybody, my name's John Lever from Deliver, and I'd like to introduce you to Matthew Easton. Matthew is a learning and development guru that we've grabbed hold of, and he's going to come and work with us to put some fantastic courses, APC flavoured and CPD flavoured together. So Matthew, let me just quickly hand over to you. Quickly just introduce who you are.
Yeah, thanks, John. As you say, I've been working in learning and development and coaching for as long as I can remember, really. So it's very exciting to work with you and pull some of these programs together. A lot of my interest and passion is about how to get the best out of people and how to help them get the best out of themselves. So my career has always been in HR, and I've just returned to the UK after about 12 years in Dubai, heading up HR and learning and development functions. So very nice to be back in the UK and working alongside you.
Excellent. Well, that's a great summary, and tell the truth, I'm quite looking forward to it. From my perspective, coming from sort of 25 years involved with training APC candidates as they're leading into writing case studies, into submission periods, this is absolutely going to be sort of a gem for them to watch and pay attention to, and give themselves a fighting chance of revising and prepping for the final assessment, which is going to be upon us pretty soon again. So that's fantastic. Thanks ever so much, Matthew, and to all you guys out there, look at the links above, because that'll be the links to booking. These aren't going to be expensive sessions, so we're really looking to keep the cost and quality at a standard and a level that everybody is looking for. So thanks again, and look forward to seeing you all when we're online and running the course. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.